at Hamilton produce some different medical devices, from diagnostic instruments to ventilation instruments to storage system for the medical industry. Before, we did everything manually. That means that we need for each production line, we needed one person who placed the products in a box, close the box, label the box and check everything. Now we have, for the whole production, there are 6 lines. We have one person who looks after the packaging automation. It changed really much because, before we had to do everything by hand and now the line is doing everything for us. Everything works fine, we have less problems on the line, the products looks good at the end. We are very, very happy with the line. From the start to the end, we tried to find together solutions. Niverplast was very flexible to implement that solutions. It was a very, very good collaboration from the beginning to the end. I think it was like working in a family. Everyone helps the other in the project. And if we have some troubles, we contact Niverplast directly. We can solve the problems together, remote, after a short time. I think we had deeps and highs in the project. So at the end, I would say we had more highs than deeps in the project, and we find every time some solutions. So the communication, everything was very open. It was a good experience. Is that my size?